Gurupurab, which is the birth anniversary of 10th Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Maharaj, had been celebrated all over the world on 5th January 2017. The spiritual leader, poet, philosopher and warrior Guru Gobind Singh Maharaj was the 10th Sikh Guru and the one who founded the Sikh order of the Khalsa, the religious community into which worshippers are initiated, with women then taking the title of Kaur, which is princess, and men the title of Singh, the lion. Guru Gobind Singh became the leader of Sikhs at the age of 9 years and was the last living Sikh Guru. Hyderabad marked the celebration with the great pomp and also invited several dignitaries like the state's governor, DGP, mayor and many more. Hello and welcome. You're watching Yo-Yo TV and this is Sheena Saluja at the Nizam Ground in Hyderabad, where the 358th celebration of the Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Maharaj celebration is going on. The celebration is going on with great pomp and it is being celebrated with people from all around Secunderabad and Hyderabad. Various people have been coming from different cities to witness this occasion. Many dignitaries have also been witnessing the event, as you have seen, and now we are all set to interview a few people and to know more about this day. So let's find out more. हाँ जी अंकल जी, आज जी क्या महत्व है आज के दिन का?
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। आज 350 साल गुरपुरब असी गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी का मना रहे हैं, जो कि सारे जग विच मना रहे ने ते साडे जीवन विच मौका कदी नहीं आना।
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। आज सेंट्रल गुरुद्वारा गौलीगुड़ा साहिब की ओर से गुरु गोबिंद सिंह महाराज जी का 350वां प्रकाश पुरब बड़ी धूमधाम से निज़ाम कॉलेज ग्राउंड में मनाया जा रहा है, जिसमें ऊंचे तौर पे जत्थे भाई इंद्रजीत सिंह जी फकर, भाई ललित सिंह जी सुहाना वाले और भाई हरजीत सिंह जी पहुंचे हैं। और साथ ही साथ तेलंगाना स्टेट के गवर्नर ESL नरसिम्हन साहब जी भी आए और अपने अनमोल विचार संगत के चरणों में रखे थे। इसी प्रकार तेजदीप कौर जी मेनन और करीमनगर के मेयर सरदार रविंदर सिंह जी ने भी अपनी हाजिरी भरी है। संगत पूरे तेलंगाना से यहाँ पे पहुँची है और सारी खुशी मनाई जा रही है। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
मैं सभी आए हुए हमारे गुरु सिख भाइयों का मैं तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूँ, जिन्होंने आज 350वें प्रकाश पुरब जो कि सेंट्रल गुरुद्वारा साहिब गौलीगुड़ा से बड़े पैमाने पे मना रहे हैं। इन सारे अपना कीमती समय निकाल कर, गवर्नर साहब नरसिम्हम साहब भी अपना कीमती समय निकाल कर आए हैं। इन्हां दा भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है। तेजदीप कौर जी जो कि DG हैं स्पेशल पुलिस फोर्स के, वो भी अपना कीमती समय निकाल कर इस प्रोग्राम में पहुंचकर हमारे सिख कम्युनिटी के सारे लोगों को एक हौसला अफजाई दी है। मैं सारे का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ।
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। समूह साध संगतां नूं 350वां प्रकाश पुरब साहिब कमाल श्री गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी महाराज जी के प्रकाश पुरब दियां लख लख बधाइयां। साध संगत जी, ये जड़ा प्रोग्राम आज हैदराबाद विखे किया जा रहा है, ये सेंट्रल गुरुद्वारा साहिब गौलीगुड़ा प्रबंधक कमेटी वालों किया जा रहा है, जिस दे प्रधान सरदार त्रिलोक सिंह जी हैं। ये सारे संगतां के सहयोग नाल ये उपराला किया जा रहा है। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
Prakash Utsav of Guru Gobind Singh Ji, who born in Takht Sri Patna Sahib in Patna, Bihar, and he continued his journey throughout India, who fought for the justice across India, and today we all gather together and we are celebrating this Pavan Parv, that is Gurpurab of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Thank you so much.
It is the biggest program for all the Sikh community all over the world, wherein you can see the Patna Sahib, where the big celebration is going on. So on this special day, we request all the people of the world. It is a peace day which we celebrate, and it is a big celebration day for all the Sikh community as well as to the whole world, entire world. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.
A lavish langar had been arranged for everyone present on the occasion. An essential part of any Gurudwara or a Sikh celebration is the langar or free kitchen. Here, the food is cooked and is served without any discrimination to all. Hundreds of people were seen relishing the langar by the community. As the religion does not believe in discriminating between men and women, ladies were also seen doing different kinds of sevas, or to be said, serving the devotees present on the occasion.
So yes, we have with us the Sikh ladies, the community who serves everyone without any biased treatment. The people here are all together with us. So let's ask the ladies how they're celebrating the Guru Purab of the 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Maharaj. So please, आज का महत्व आपके लिए कितना है?
आज का महत्व for all the Sikh Sangat which has gotten together from all the districts of Telangana to celebrate one of our most beloved gurus, the 10th Guru's 350th birthday celebration. He is the one who's coined the phrase, सवा लाख से एक लड़ाऊं तभी गोबिंद सिंह नाम कमाऊं. Many of you all will be familiar because it has been used in many of Hindi songs these days. It is to say that in the Sikh religion, women hold as much importance and equal place with men. And one more thing I would like to clear here, since we have time and I've been given the mic, the theory of the 12 baje thing, which is, which is made a joke of. It is when the Mughal forces used to attack and carry away the Hindu women. It was the Guru Sahib's forces which at 12 o'clock used to attack the Mughal army so as to save the women, to free the women and to save them from being carried away by the Mughals.
We are celebrating on a very large scale here at Nizam College grounds at Bashir Bagh. So this is on a very large scale celebration. This is 10th.
Along with our family.
Yeah, along with the family, friends.
Yes, with our family, with our friends, we are all here doing seva and what best we can do.
And the preparations are going on for the past so many days where the Sangat together gets together to make the preparations for Langar. And irrespective of caste, creed, all are welcome to do the seva and to join in the celebrations.
I think it's one of our most important, and it is a landmark this year because it's the 350th birthday celebrations of Guru Gobind Singh Ji.
Yo-Yo TV channel's anchor Sheena Saluja was also thanked and appreciating for covering the event and getting it to public by the community.
So yes, this was the 350th celebration of Guru Gobind Singh Maharaj Ji, the Sikh Guru, who is the 10th one. So yes, wishing all of you a very happy Guru Purab. This is Sheena Saluja signing off on Yo-Yo TV. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.